My favorite thing about the SeaDream is the freshness of the food. Whatever is on the menu, I can tell you guys, is always available. And even you come the last minute because something, you will still get the same quality and the same freshness. What we're doing here is not like a big cruise line. Basically every day, especially in Europe, I'm going to the market to get something, to find something new, something for a local flavor, maybe a fresh dish, maybe some fresh seafoods. So this is the way here. You can tell me what you like on the menu. Just let me know the day before, and I'm gonna make sure that it happen. It happen. You tell me you wanna have a French onion soup today for an appetizer, and then maybe lobster for a dinner, and plus beautiful souffle. Why not? Why not?